Welcome to MQLrobot EAS. In this video, we're going to explore the logic behind the Grid Profit two-way EA for MetaTrader 5, built entirely using FXdreema, a powerful no-code development tool for creating algorithmic trading systems. This EA is designed for grid trading in both buy and sell directions, with dynamic profit tracking and risk controls. It opens multiple positions along the price movement and manages them based on market conditions, profit thresholds, and trade counts. Core structure. Overview. The EA operates through several interconnected blocks. Let's break them down by function. Opening orders. The EA begins by checking if there are no existing trades. If conditions are met, it triggers an initial buy or sell order. From there, it expands into a grid logic, using a loop to check existing trades. For each buy or sell trade, it compares the current price and calculates distance in pips. If price conditions match and no nearby trades exist, it opens the next grid level, either buy or sell. This creates a two-way grid that dynamically adjusts based on market action. Profit and trade counting. Two bucket blocks are used to count the number of buy and sell trades. It then uses variable modifiers to calculate floating profits for each side of the grid. This system helps track open exposure, and when combined with closing logic, it makes the EA semi-autonomous in its decision-making. Close for profit. This section is designed to close all trades once the overall floating profit reaches a predefined threshold. It checks if there are trades open, calculates combined profit, and if it passes the profit condition, it triggers close actions for both buy and sell positions, resetting profit-related variables afterward. Cut-loss control. The EA is also equipped with a cut-loss safety feature. It checks how many grid trades are open for buy and sell, and if the count exceeds a defined maximum, it will force close all related trades to minimize drawdown risk. This ensures that the EA won't continue expanding the grid indefinitely in a strong trending market. Comment and monitoring. A comment block is used to display system status or pass certain information to the chart, helpful for debugging or real-time tracking of performance. This EA is especially useful in range-bound markets where price frequently oscillates. However, like all grid strategies, it carries significant risk in strong one-sided trends. That's why, important. Before using this EA in a live account, fully understand the strategy logic and market behavior it's designed for. Perform robust backtesting with 99.9% tick data to evaluate performance. Know your risk tolerance and prepare for drawdowns. You can find this EA available for download or customization at MQLrobot.com. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our MQLrobot EAs for more no-code EA builds using FXdreema and in-depth explanations of Forex robot logic. See you in the next video.